Hello everyone, myself Vidat Singarapu. Now my project is on library management system. So coming to the outline, we have like introduction, literature survey, objective, motivation behind the app, targeted audience, technologies, modules, challenges faced during the development, feature score, and last we come to the demo. Coming to the introduction, a management application is an Android app that maintains and stores book details with remote databases server based on the needs of students. This application will assist library managers and students in keeping track of all books accessible in the library. Coming to the literature survey, Koha. Koha is a well-known open-source library management system used by libraries of various sizes throughout the world. It performs a number of duties, including cataloging, circulation, and acquisitions. Koha is highly flexible and it has a large developer community that offers support and contributes to its evolution. Next example, library Alma. Alma is library management system that operates in the cloud. It provides management capabilities for all aspects of library operations, such as acquisitions, cataloging, and circulation. Many academic and research libraries utilize Alma, which interfaces with other library systems and services. Next, Libris. Voyager is a library management system that enables comprehensive control of library operations. It has modules of acquisitions, cataloging, circulation, and other operations, and it might be customized to meet the needs of specific libraries. Voyager is used by a number of large academic and research libraries. Symphony. Series Dinix Symphony is a library management system that provides a number of functions for regulating library activities. It has modules for acquisition, cataloging, circulation, and other operations, and it may be customized to meet the needs of specific libraries. Symphony is used by libraries of different sizes all around the world. Coming to Apollo, Apollo is well-based library administration system developed by Biblionics. Biblionics. It is designed for small to medium-sized public libraries and contains features such as circulation management, cataloging, and other activities. Apollo is easily customizable and features an intuitive user interface. Coming to Evergreen. Evergreen is an open source library management system that is used by many libraries across the world. It comprises, among other things, tools for cataloging, circulation, and acquisition. Evergreen is very customizable and it has a sizable development community that offers assistance and helps to its progress. Alexandria is a library management system created by Companion Corporation. It has capabilities for handling catalog, circulation, and more, and it may be tailored to the needs of individual libraries. Many libraries of different sizes across the world utilize Alexandria. The Follett Company The Follett Company designed the Follett Destiny Library Management System. It can handle cataloging, circulation, and other tasks, and it may be adjusted to the needs of specific libraries. Follett Destiny is used in number of K-12 schools and public libraries. Coming to Mandarin Library Automation, Mandarin Library Automation INC developed the Mandarin Library Automation Library Management System. It can handle cataloging, circulation, and other tasks, and it may be adjusted to the needs of specific libraries. Mandarin Library Automation is used by libraries of different small sizes all around the world. Coming to the objective, the key goal is the utilizing standard methods such as manually will be difficult and risky. These issues are remedied by allowing the program to maintain track of book specifics such as issue date, final date to return the book, and even find information climating the need to keep manual track of this information and reducing the possibility of errors. Thus, by climating the possibility of errors in details, this library management program will minimize manual effort and allow for a smooth flow of library activities. Coming to the motivation of the project, from the librarian's perspective, keeping track of all the book specifics such as publishing dates, last dates, and fine information would be tough. As a result, there is no need to manually keep track of any details when utilizing this program. From the perspective of a student, this application will be user pleasant, allowing them to find out where the book they want is located in the library. Coming to the intended audience, we have this app is intended by supported two types of audience. One is for the librarian and other is for the students. Coming to the technology used, here the technology used are Java, XML, MySQL, and PHP. There are two types of modules in my application. They are librarian and student. Coming to the app functionality, for the librarian, in this application, the librarian will operate below Android application functionalities like add books. Here, the librarian will add the book information such as branch, book name, book ID, and total number of available books into the database server. Coming to the delete and update books. In this function, the library will delete the book based on the branch and book ID, as well as the librarian updated the book detail also. And in the issued books, the librarian will issue the books to the students by selecting the branch and student roll number and entering the book details, issue date, and return date. Coming into the return books, in here, the librarian will get the list of books, issued book details by a of student student roll number. Then librarian will update the return book details by the selection of book ID. Coming to the book list, in this function, the librarian will get the list of the book details by the selection of branch name. In the search user, here the librarian will search the issued books and return book details by the selection of by the search user by the selection of student roll number. And in the student dashboard, in the student functionality, in this application, the student will operate the below application functionalities like search books. First, before searching the book, the student will create an account. In the account, the student will create the account by filling the details, registration form details like name, branch, year, student roll number, and password. And the functionalities are like search books. In the search book here, the student will get the number of book details by searching with the branch name. And coming into the book lending details, here the student will check the book details like book name, book availability, and etc. by selection of book ID. Here in the issued or return book, in this function, the student will get the list of issued book details and return book details individually. And coming into the suggestions, in this function, the student will send the requiring book information to the librarian. So the future scope of the project is like getting an alert message for a suggestion, improving GUI, sending the notification when book is issued. Coming to the challenges faced in the project, there are two issues, mainly issues while working with the fragments, and second is connecting with MySQL database. Any questions? Thank you. Now let's start the demo.